Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple commands for using the Amazon Alexa to open up the smart lock, the Brelong smart lock. Alexa, ask Brelong's status of office.
Office is currently unlocked. Do you want to lock it?
Yes.
Okay, lock command has been successfully sent to office. It may take a few seconds to move the latch. Do you want a confirmation?
Yes.
Rest assured that office is currently locked.
Alexa, ask Brelong to unlock office.
For security reasons, please tell me your PIN code to unlock office.
1111.
Okay, unlock command has been successfully sent to office. It may take a few seconds to move the latch. Do you want a confirmation?
Yes.
Office has been unlocked. Remember to lock it when done.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the sentry mode for the Brelong smart lock using Alexa. Alexa, ask Brelong to switch on sentry mode.
Sentry safeguards your house by sounding the alarm when the door unlocks. Once switched on, sentry mode will stay active until you switch it off. Now, tell me the lock name to proceed.
Office.
For security reasons, please tell me your PIN code for office.
1111.
Sentry mode has been switched on. This will stay until you switch it off by saying, switch off sentry mode of office.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unlock the door and you'll hear the sentry mode go off. And now what you have to do is you actually have to go into the app and then you just hit this little, hit the red alarm right there and it'll go ahead and turn off. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to turn off the sentry mode. Alexa, ask Brelong to switch off sentry mode of office.
For security reasons, please tell me your PIN code for office.
1111.
Sentry mode is switched off. You can switch it on by saying, switch on sentry mode of office.